Welcome to the world of adventure and fun with our single unit FRP MAPS, the ultimate outdoor playground experience for kids. Crafted with creativity and safety in mind, this customized masterpiece combines excitement with durability, ensuring endless hours of joy for children. Picture this, a vibrant landscape of play awaits, highlighted by the sleek curves of our FRP spiral slide in a striking blue hue. As children spiral down, their laughter echoes through the air, igniting their imagination and sense of adventure. But the thrills don't stop there. Our FRP multicolor wave slide, adorned in cheerful yellow and red tones, beckons young adventurers to take the plunge, sending them soaring with every exhilarating ride. Whether they're sliding solo or racing with friends, the excitement is contagious. And topping it all off is our charming strawberry canopy, providing shade and whimsical charm as kids explore and play beneath its protective embrace. Designed to spark joy and foster exploration, it adds a delightful touch to the playground landscape. With safety as our top priority, each element of our single unit FRP MAPS is meticulously crafted to meet the highest standards, ensuring worry-free playtime for both kids and parents alike. From the sturdy construction to the smooth finishes, every detail is thoughtfully considered to provide a secure and enjoyable experience. Join us in redefining outdoor play, where every moment is filled with laughter, learning, and boundless fun.